So YouTube channel will be total two types. One is Google AdSense, second will be MCN. So Google AdSense headings and MCN will be total difference. So why? Because if any Google AdSense, first of all, how to check? In this call, go to Video Manager. My YouTube will be AdSense or MCN. How to check? So any channel will be verified. That is called Google AdSense. Verify with some other channel is called MCN member. Multiple channel network. Any YouTube will be two types: multiple channel network and Google AdSense network user. Just go to Create Studio Classic. So this one, we'll check for the channel. When showing what I verified is nothing but Google AdSense. Any channel will be like this. Click for channel. Verify for the particular YouTube channel user. What I verified, retail local Z can access your account and your payment. And the payment process for AdSense and MCN. MCN, every month amount will be withdrawn by next month 25th. They delay for the 1 month. But every month amount will receive by the next month 25th. But Google AdSense amount will receive by the, when you receive by $100, amount will be received. That's the difference. And if anyone upload the video of MCN member video by your YouTube videos, fraction of seconds, the video getting first strike. Why? Because MCN member have the content ID. Any video nothing but your own monetization. And we can start the monetization in particular country also. The total monetization will be different. The ending process totally different. Go to monetization. See this one. Any monetization. Block in all countries. Monetization in all countries. Track in all countries. The particular video given these options. And these are the videos. Video type also will be same for the 5 videos. Display, non-skippable, skippable, oval and sponsor cards. And these are more than 10 minutes video. You can create the ad breaks for Google AdSense and MCN also. But the content ID will be only given by the MCN member. It's a multiple channel network. It is means by MCN and nothing but the date YouTube member. The amount will be given by the date YouTube channels. But AdSense, YouTube pay to AdSense, AdSense pay by your YouTube channel. It's applied through AdSense. It's applied to direct YouTube. This version now is not available by the particular YouTube applied by MCN. You can apply by two third-party YouTube channel, which is approved by MCN member. You can apply by the third-party channels too. You can apply by MCN. So here, this content ID very powerful. Once content ID will be enabled, anybody upload this video within second, the YouTube will be getting strike. The strike will be removed after 3 months. Any strike will be upload any videos for MCN member video. The video will be strike fraction of seconds, and the video nobody can use by when using content ID. This will only eligible by the MCN member. If coming for Google AdSense member, you can open the particular video. Monetization same, but countries allocation and thread by the content ID will be different. Edit. Click for monetization. See this. You cannot generate any content ID. Particular video. Clear? This total content will enabled by your channel option by monetization. It's enabled, but we can apply the particular videos. It's only for dispute. But if anybody uploads my video, fraction of seconds, it will be client. Somebody using video, claim the video. The claim will be removed after 3 months. The people using for my videos at a time three times. The total channel will be disabled. By adding for content ID activation. These are very important by the your content ID activation. These are the very important by the particular YouTube channels. So this is the type of headings by the Adsense and MCN. Any AdSense received by the $100, MCN member every month you can receive the amount next month of every month end of 25th. Just delay by 1 month. Every month amount will receive by the next month of 25th. No need to $100. No need to any type of headings will be there. So any promotion of monetization will be same, and the type of headings also will be little bit different by compare with AdSense and MCN member. So this is the difference for the headings on YouTube and Google AdSense member and MCN